yanganese. Wedila idilanga yanganese. Munubwe konda donti bazimuna. Yanganese. Wedila idilanga yanganese. Mama ndusibu wedi imawa. Mama ndusibu wedi imawa yanganese. Ya dilaga dilaga. Yanganese munubwe konda donti bazimuna. Ya wedi imawa. Anfuila tata sala imama. Anfuila mama sala yaya. Anfuila yaya sala ikaka yanganese munubwe konda kala kadila yidila. Kanese, ebe iwe kumbagila yanganese. Ya dila idilanga. Ya bazi imonanga. Ya dila idilanga yanganese. Tata yengwedi mwana mukimambo. Yani tata yengwedi mwana yanganese. Munubwe konda dila idilanga. Ya bazi imonanga yanganese. Ya dila idilanga. Mama bazi imonanga. Beno mukanda dieno balu zingilanga. Beno mukanda dieno balu karilanga. Beno kindoki kibeno balu ya bagila. Kindoki kilu bakalu muka bakendu batongo anganese. Ya dila idila. Kanese munubwe konda donti bazimuna. Ya dila idilanga yanganese. Ya dila idilanga yanganese. Alumwidi kwa makezo kuna mutu. Alumwidi kwa mambazinu monanga. Betu dukanda kwa mazori du monanga yanganese. Ya dila idila. Kanese ya gidiluki ya bunwa. Kanese. Ya dila idilanga yanganese. Wapazi monanga yanganese. Dila idilanga yanganese. Balumwidi kwa mambazinu monanga. Kanese munubwe konda kala kadila idila. Mama tusibu wedi imawa. Mama tusibu wedi imawa. Kidiluki mama kwatu wadilila. Akidiluki mama kwatu wadilila. Akwena kulega ya usaya basayanga. Akwena kudianga ya usaya basayanga. Kanese bugadi ya kwenda muna. Kanese munubwe konda kadila idila. Ya dila idilanga yanganese. 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 Ya dila idilanga yanganese. Ya bazi monanga yanganese. Munubwe konda dila idila. Yanganese. Ya dila idila. Dila idilanga yanganese. Ya dila idilanga yanganese. Ya bazi monanga yanganese. Munubwe konda dila idila. We konda dila idila. Yanganese. Ya bazi monanga yanganese. Ya dila idilanga. Ya bazi monanga. Ya dila idilanga yanganese. Ya dila idila. Yanganese munubwe konda dila idilanga yanganese. Ya dila idilanga yanganese munubwe konda dila idila. Yanganese. Ya bazi monanga yanganese. Dila idilanga yanganese. Wapazi monanga yanganese. Bakuni kudianga ya wapazi bakuna. Oya bakuni kuzinga ya wapazi bakuna. Ya tata yegwedi mwana mukimambo. Tata yegwedi mwana mukimambo. Ya dila idila. Kanese. Kiari kanese. Bukala yibongo ndoki. Bukonda mbongo zomari mu. Wati singela manchi yoyo. Musa. Wadila idilanga yanganese. Wopasi monanga yanganese. Ya dila idila. Kanese monanga konda. Wadila idilanga yanganese. pasimonanga. Ayaya dilanga. Misala bomu pasimonanga. Bagu badianga bomu ketukuna mundu. Bagu badianga bomu ketukuna mundu. Anganese. Yaya dilanga. Anganese munu boy kono. Dilanga. Oh pasimonanga yanganese. Dilanga yanganese. Yaya dilanga. Deno mukana deno yeah, mama, this is the way the mawa. Mama, this is the way the mawa. Yanganese. I feel a yaya sala mama. I feel a mama sala tata. I feel a tata sala tata. Yanganese. 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 Salamu. Dilanga yanganese. Dilanga yanganese. Ayaya pasimo nanga yanganese. Ayaya dilanga yanganese.
Kembote, mukutala una tutondele kwende kunako sitalongo kandinga kikongo. Thank you very much. If you are watching, please don't move. We're going to learn the language of Congo Kingdom. Thank you, tutondele. Let me just go back to. Let me share my screen. Hey, brother Emeka, were you here last time? I think. That Emeka.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Because okay. Good. I think brother Makail as well. Yes. Same reading. My phone. 1 minute. I need to share my phone. Oh, this one. Yes. I'm going to test you. Emeka. Emeka, can you read for us, please?
Yes. Kiambote.
Oh, well done. Just keep that format. I mean the tonality. Keep going, please.
All right. Diambote. Mambote.
Well done.
Mayamba.
Mayamba.
Mayamba. Makenda.
Makenda. Can you do it again, please?
Yes. Kiambote. Diambote,
Mm.
Mambote,
Mm.
Mayamba,
Mm.
Makenda.
Makenda. Thank you. Well done. Well done. Tata Makailu, please. Let me just do it for you. Kiambote. Diambote. Mambote. Mayamba. Makenda. Kiambote. Diambote. Mambote. Mayamba. Makenda. Tata Makailu, please.
Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Makenda,
Mayamba, Mankenda. Can you try to read this? Mayamba,
My,
Mankenda.
Mayamba, Makenda.
Well done. You are doing well, better than many people on the mainland. On the mainland, you know. The reason we're learning because this is happens in any language, no. With time, corruption, language become corrupt. I mean, if you
Mhm.
don't,
Pronounce it
if you
correctly.
I mean, if you don't, we don't learn, we miss everything, Tata Emeka, can you do it again, please? If you
Yes.
don't go back to the roots, I mean, to try to investigate, to study the original tonality, if you just go with the flow, that's it, gone.
Yeah.
Gone with the wind.
Mhm.
Tata Emeka, please.
All right. Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Ma-
Mayamba,
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 Mayamba.
Mayamba,
Tata Makagana,
Makenda.
Mayamba,
Mayamba,
Mayamba. Then the last one,
Mayamba,
Tata Emeka, please.
Makenda.
Makenda. Mm. Kikongo,
Makenda.
because we said that the tonal language, it is, I keep saying the same thing, but it's very important to say that again. If you read music, no, you read the notes, the music notes, solfa, not the solfege, solfege is the instruments, but voice, we go do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Do is do. The tonality gives the meaning, I mean, the value of the letter do is your tonality. See what I mean? Mm. I can say do, re. If the tonality is wrong, I'm wrong. Can you do it again, please? Kiambote, yambote, mambote, mayamba, mankenda.
Okay. Kiambote,
Mm.
Diambote, Mambote,
Mm.
Mayamba,
Mm.
Makenda.
Mankenda. Thank you very much. Okay. Don't worry, we'll next time we go back again. Okay, there is another one here. Mm. Let me share the new one. Where is it? Okay, it's here. Mm. You're doing well. I mean, seriously, you're doing well. Okay, this one a bit hard, but I'm going to help you. Dialuvunu, diakese, dialudi, diampasi. Let me just go to for the first three. Tata Emeka, please. Dialuvunu, diakese, dialudi.
Okay. Dialuvunu,
Mm.
Diakesi,
Mm.
Dialudi.
Well done. Tata Makailu, dialuvunu, diakese, dialudi.
Dia Lavunu,
Mm.
Dia Kesi,
Mm.
Dia Ludi.
Well done. Okay. Tata Meka, let me just do it for you. Diampasi, diviokele, dimonikene, Yampasi, Diviokele, Dimonekene. I know it's hard. Do your best that I make address you. It is in the blood. I keep saying that. You can do it.
Diampasi,
And
Diviokele, Dimonekene.
wow. Hey, you dance, eh? Diampasi, Diviokele, Dimonekene. You doing well. Better than people on the mainland, no? On the mainland, I mean. Tata Makailu, Diampasi, Diviokele. Don't worry, don't rush. Take your time. Diampasi, Diviokele, Dimonekene. Tata Makailu, please.
Diampase, Diavokele, Diamonekene.
Well done. You missed word letter, but I don't mind. But your tonality is there. Well, thank you very much. Well done. Diampasi, Diviokele, Dimonekene. These are when you see DA sometimes it is singular. Plural will be because the root words are after DIA, yeah? All the syllable DAI is not the main. I mean, not the root word. The main word. The root word is the. Here we have Luvunu, Kiese, Ludi, Pasi, Viokele, Monekene. Let me just try to translate. Luvunu means lie. So you always remember the root word. I mean, Luvunu means lie. Kiese, happiness. Ludi, truth. Pasi, suffering. Viokele, passing by, gone. Monekene, to appear. So this is singular. Now we're going to read in plural. I mean, change the DIA to we put MA, which is plural for all of them. Maluvunu, Makiese, Maludi, Mampasi, Maviokele, Dimonekene. These two last words, even on the mainland Africa, it is corrupt. So, if you can do it well, if you can hit it, that people will be proud of you, you know? You done it, I mean, just go, let's do it again. Plural now, please. Tata Emeka.
Okay.
Maluvunu.
Maluvunu.
Well done.
Makesi. Maludi.
Yes.
Mampasi.
Mampasi.
And did you
Maviokele.
say Maviokele? Mamonekene.
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 Well done. Be careful here. It's not E in English. It's Makiese. Tata Makailu. Let me try it again. Maluvunu, Makiese, Maludi, Mampasi, Maviokele, Mamonekene. Tata Makailu, please.
Maluvanu, Akese, Malude,
Mampasi,
Mampasi, Maviokele, Mamonekene.
It's hard. This one is hard. Mamonekene.
Mamonekene.
Wow. Thank you very much.
Mamonekene.
Mamonekene. Well done. Tata Emeka, any questions?
Nah, no questions.
That's good. You done it, huh? Maviokele. Luvunu means lie. Kese, happy, happiness. Ludi, true, truth. Pasi, suffering. Viokele, passing by, gone. Monekene, to appear. Okay, let's go. Let me go to the main list, today's lesson, which is free. Lesson free. Lesson free, section free. Yes. The Congo people always say ingratitude is bad. Remember Tata Emeka? Remember the word in Kikongo?
No, I don't.
Okay, let me just see the word.
Untokozi.
Untokozi. Tata Makaele, did you see the word?
Yes.
Ingratitude. It is bad. I mean, this is our tradition. We always say thank you. When I mean to say thank you, you mean it from your heart, you know, and not just thank you. Okay, can you see the scroll? Matondo kwa yenu means thank you to you. These are people behind Kikongo class, yes? Yeah. Okay, Tata Makai, that's why we keep reading always to say thank you to Papa Drama Kondekwa and Professor Hezo Carter. Tata Emeka, please.
Congo language course. Malunge Makikongo Kizombo by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Joya Mokondekwa. Joan Hazel Carter, 2202-1928, 308-2016. Received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrases in Kikongo language. Kikongo in the Congo Kikongo language. African Study Program, Department of African Language and Literature, Universities of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Tutondele. Tata Emeka, your turn now, please, from Arizona. Please.
All right. The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
Yeah, thank you. One of my friends, I mean, from another country, I wouldn't name the country, he said that you people are like, you know, he wished they had on their own language, something like this, not a course, proper one. So we should take advantage of a good legacy. Carry on, please.
In 2001, Professor Hazel Carter received the Distinguished Services Award from the African Language Teachers Association.
Thank you. Kikongo is a tonal language. Different tones, distinguish different meanings. This is the key, no?
Yes.
Your tone gives the meaning to the word, see? Okay, thank you. This is lesson 3, section 3. Zolele kutu Hello, Nzolele. Modo Nzolele Kutuvingila. Hello, Nzolele. Not one thing, very important. The first person always, it is always nasal.
Okay.
Always. I mean, 98%. I mean, I've never seen basically first person nasal. Zolele Kutuvingile. Hello. Nzolele Kunuvingila. What time maker, please?
Zolele kutuvingile. Elo. Nzolele. Nzolele kunuvingila.
Kunuvingila. Tata Makailu, please.
Zolele kutuvinilinga. Elo. Nzolele kumuvingala.
Kunuvingila. You have a long vowel. You don't read N. This is your nasal. Nzo. Nzo. Nzo.
Zolele.
Zolele kutusadise. Hello. Nzolele kunusadisa. Tata Emeka, please.
Zolele kutusadise. Elo. Nzolele kunusadisa.
Thank you. Tata Makailu, please.
Zolele kutusandize.
Kutusadise.
Kutusandize. Elo. Nduzolele kusandisa.
Kunusadisa.
Kunusandisa. Kunusandisa.
Well done. Don't worry about the D, but make sure you don't read N. But Nzo, it's your nasal. Nzo.
Nzolele.
Nzo. Tata Emeka, Zolele kutumone. Hello, Nzolele kunumona.
Zolele kunumone. I'm sorry. Zolele kutumone.
Kutumone.
Elo. Zolele kunumona.
Kunumona. Tata Makai, please.
Zolele kutumone.
Kutumone.
Elo. Nzolele kumumone.
Kunumona. Well done. Your nasal is good. Improving. Can you read? Say after me, Tata Makail, please. Mbunga.
Munga.
Mbu.
Oh, mbunga.
MB. Let me just write. Give 1 minute. Mbunga. It does not appear. Okay, let me just.
Mbunga.
Because it, as we keep saying, it is a tonal language. If you miss your tonality, you done. You finish. Let me try to share this one. Tata Emeka, can you read, please?
Mbunga. Ndunda.
Well done. Mbunga. Ndunda. Tata Makailu. Sorry. It is wait. No, let me try to redo. Tata Makailu, please.
Mbunga.
Ndunda. Mbunga.
Ndunda.
Well done. Try to this one again. This one.
Mbunga.
No, there's something new. Double check.
Bunga.
Tata Emeka, can you try, please?
Mbwanga.
Well done.
Put
Tata
an A.
Emeka, I don't believe it. Huh? You mean you? Well done. Mbwanga. Basically, Congo, I mean, many African languages as well. We don't speak from here. We speak from here. See, Tata Makael, did you get it? We speak from here, the heart.
Okay.
Don't speak here, because the tonality comes from your heart. I mean, you mean something, your tone changes accordingly. See, Mbwanga. Tata Makael, please.
Mbwanga.
Mbwanga. Then Ndunda.
Ndunda. Mbwanga. Ndunda.
Okay, well done. Let us go back to the where we were. I just wanted to make sure that you got it. Where is my phone? If you are watching, thank you very much. We thank you. Be still, don't move. You're learning Kikongo, the language of Congo Kingdom. Okay, Tata Makailu.
Zozo.
Tumone. Elo. Nzo. Your nasal here, Nzo. Tata Makail, please.
Zolele. Kintumone. Elo. Nzolele. Kumunumone.
Kunumona. There's no nasal here. There's no N. Zolele. Can you try it again? Zolele.
Zolele. Kintumone. Elo. Nzolele. Kumunone.
Well done, Kunumona. Well done, Kunumona.
Komuna.
This is A, not A. Kikongo. Well done. I know it's hard, but you're doing well. Zolele. Okay, this one is a bit hard. We need to read it slowly. Zolele kutu sonekene. Tata Emeka, please.
Zolele kutusonekene. Elo. Nzolele kunusonekene.
Nzolele kunusonekene. Tata Makail, Zolele.
Zolele. Kusomaneke.
There are two words. Zolele kutu.
Kutu.
Sonekene. Can you try it again, please?
Zolele kutu somaneke.
Sonekene.
Sokenene. Elo. Zolele kumunu somo kene.
Sonekena.
Sonekena.
Tata Emeka, Zolele Kutula. Remember, long vowel, yeah? You know the trick.
Yes.
Go ahead, please.
Okay. Zolele kutulambile.
Well done.
Elo. Nzolele kunulambila.
Well done. Tata Makailu, take your time. Zolele kutulambile.
Zolele kutulambile.
Well done.
Elo. Nzolele kumulambula.
Well done. Zolele kunulambila. Zolele kutukile. Hello. Nzolele kunukila. Tata Emeka, please.
Zolele kutukiyile. Kutukiyile.
Mm.
Elo. Zolele kunukiyila.
Mm. And Tata Makailo.
Zolele, Kutekelele, Elo, Nzolele, Kunusinkelia.
Kunukila. Just read it.
Kuna Kela.
Okay.
Kila.
2 words, yeah? Kunukila. You can pause. Take your time. You can pause in between. Kunukila.
Kila.
Yeah? You pause before the next word.
Kunu.
Zolele kutu kile. You can pause. Tata Makail, please.
Zolele, Kutukele, Elo, Nanzolele, Kunukele.
Kunukila. Okay, well done. Okay, I think we're stopping there. Thank you very much. Let us just go quickly to revise our tonality because it's very important. Tonal language, Kikongo. Tata Makailu. Let's start with Tata Emeka. Nzumba. Remember, a bit of long vowel, the first syllable. Nzumba. Tata Emeka.
Nzumba.
Let me to write it down. Okay, let me give 1 minute.
Zumba.
Okay, that's fine. Don't worry. Yeah, Nzumba.
Nzumba.
Tata Makai Nzumba.
Nzumba.
Well done. Wow, you when you're reading, I think it's confusing. You tend to read the N, but as we talk now, just come naturally. See, I think this is the best way. Tata Makai, you again. Sorry, I'm picking on you. Nzumba.
Nzumba.
Well done. Mbunga.
Mbunga.
Tata Emeka. Nzumba.
Nzumba.
Tata Emeka, please. Mbunga.
Mbunga.
Well, I think there's each of your line. Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much. You done well.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. It was breaking, you know. Maybe
Okay.
the connection isn't good. Yeah, you done well. Any questions, please?
No, I don't.
No questions.
Okay. Tutondele. Thank you very much. Okay, test for you, Tata Makai. I'm staying. You going?
Sala Kimbote.
Oh, well done. Well done. I like the long vowel. Sala Kimbote. Thank you very much. Okay. We'll see you next Sunday. Tutondele.
Bemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Willy Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma, Eric Wayeno, Dr. Nelson